Today, I want to show you a wooden baby crib that does much more than just hold a mattress. In the first few seconds, you can see how easily it folds down. That means it is practical, space-saving, and very easy to carry when needed. Now let me show you the crib in use. Here are the children enjoying it. And as you can see, the bed is safe, comfortable, and made for real daily use. I also open the door so they can get in and out easily. And now, I want to show you something important, the rocking feature. When I move the bed, you can feel that it gently rocks, which makes it even more useful and comfortable. But if you want it fixed, I can remove the half-round legs underneath, and then it becomes completely stable. This part is also very smart. I can slide the front door down easily, and I can even stand on the bed to show how strong it is. It is built to handle weight and everyday use without problem. Another great feature is the adjustable sleeping level. When the baby is very small, the mattress can stay on the top level. Then, as the child grows, I can move it down to the lower level. So the same crib grows with the child, and if I want, I can remove the mattress board completely, fold the whole bed and carry it with one hand. That makes it easy to store, easy to transport, and perfect for small spaces. Then I open it again, place the board in the middle, and it becomes a sofa or day bed. So this one piece of furniture can work as a baby crib, a rocking bed, and a small seat for the family. A strong, flexible, and multifunctional wooden crib, designed to save space and make life. Now tell me in the comments, would you use this as a rocking crib or as a sofa bed? And if you like handmade woodworking projects like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who would love it.